$1,000 a month recurring. This is going to be our latest case study, and the question is, can you monetize things that you like, or maybe things that you're interested in, or even just your skills? So in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. I'm going to share with you the plan, and we'll go through it. So let's minimize the screen, and we'll get into it. Okay, so this case study, we'll probably do it over a couple of videos, and I'll give you a bit of context for this and the background, okay? So in terms of this, how are we going to achieve $1,000 a month recurring? Using our interests, knowledge, skills, hobbies, etc. So recently, I came across this platform over here called School. Now, I've known about School for a long time, but I've started looking at it a little bit more in the last month or so, predominantly because Facebook did a big thing a couple of weeks ago where they just wiped out loads of groups and communities, and people had lost, foundations and platforms that they'd built up for years. So I came over here and I was doing a little bit of research on it, and literally it blew me away. I mean, I think you'll agree. Comment below if this is mind blowing to you. So over on here, we're just on all communities. You can see on here all of the communities over on School. Now, if we scroll down here, you can see this one over here, Brotherhood of Scent. This has got 7,500 members. That's free. Now, there is upsells in there. Then we've got this one over here. So this is a whole community around this over here. They're charging $9 a month. They've got over 1,000 members paying $9. This is where it gets even more crazy. Look at this. Someone over here has got 12,800 members paying $129 a month. Absolutely mental. Come down here. Pickleball School, $39. 1,000 members. This one, 1,000 members paying $120 a month. It is just genuinely crazy. So I've been going through this and looking at some of these different communities, and obviously my interest is around earning online. I just love earning online and testing things. So came over here and went into this little tab over here, and again I went through it and I've joined some of these different communities to see what's going on and how they're monetizing it basically. And if we scroll down here again, I mean, $119 a month, 1,000 members. People are making some serious money over on this platform, okay? So, after going through this and looking at everything, I've come up with a plan, and I'll show you where I'm up to with this. So, I mean, there's all of the, I mean, look, this one as well, look at this. Poop Scoop Millionaire. Someone has got a class over here, or a community, with 907 members, paying $69 a month to learn how to clean up dog poop. It is to me, it's mental. So anyway, the plan is we're going to launch our own community over on this platform here called School. Now, I'll show you where I'm up to with this, and then I'll talk to you about pricing and what we're going to do with it moving forward. So, how do I get into my community? It's over here on the left-hand side. Sorry, it is all still new to me. Okay, we're in. So, I'll give you a bit of context. So, at this moment in time, this is the community. It is not live yet. It's called Faceless Freedom. And I'll give you a bit of backstory to this. So, about 8 weeks ago, we did a case study over on TikTok for this product over here. It was called Faceless Freedom. Now, as part of that case study, we documented building the whole thing. It went on for about 40 days. And in the end, the sales on that product were, from memory, about £24,000 UK. So it was a pretty decent launch. Now, that product is now closed because it was all part of a case study. But the whole concept around that and the feedback from people was they want to be earning online, but they don't want to show their face. They don't want to be talking on camera. So I've kind of taken the concept and brought it over here. And this, I'll show you where we're up to with this. So this is the classroom part of this. And this is one of the reasons why I'm actually liking this whole platform. So you've got your community and all your different tabs up here. And I'll tell you about those in a bit. But this is going to be the community, and it's all going to be geared around earning an income online without showing your face. So how are we going to attract people into the community? Well, literally the whole plan is we're going to offer so much value at a price point that is ridiculous for them not to come into here. And looking at what other people are charging, especially in this niche, it's between like $69 and $149. So with ours, we're going to launch it for the first couple of weeks for $10, which for what you're going to get inside of it is very good, if I say so myself. So at this moment in time, we are focusing on everything which is around making money online without showing your face. And you can see on here, we've got lots of different things in here at this moment in time. So let's go into the first one and I'll show you this. Okay, so in this section over here, this viral AI videos, this is focusing on, funnily enough, creating these videos, which are all over YouTube, they're all over TikTok, and they're doing incredible numbers. So there's a number of ways we can do this. So the first part of this section over here is how to create these sorts of videos over here. And we go through creating images, adding motion, editing the video, loads of different stuff, and then we even show the completed video at the end, and then how to monetize these sorts of channels. Then not only do we show people how to do this, then I give them all the prompts. So if they want to learn how to make, cat AI videos, we've got a short form video. We then do the long form videos down here. And to make it even easier, I'm giving them the prompts. So if they just simply click on here, it opens up in a new tab, and it is literally copy and paste. So you can see on here, this is an example. These are YouTube accounts which are doing this method and crushing it. And here are the prompts to use to create those types of videos. Pretty cool. Then we'll scroll down here. So let me get rid of that. So that's cat videos. We've also got minion videos in here at this moment in time. We have also got cute animal stories. We've got superheroes. And all of them are the same. All of them, access prompts, opens up in a new tab. People can get access to this. So we've got all of those. Then, because we've been testing out Google VO3, we've also got next level AI videos. So this section over here will show people how to get Google VO3 absolutely for free. And then again, we walk through this, how to create the videos, putting it all together. And then again, similar thing, we've also got different categories. So like if people want to create these news reporter videos, we've got the prompts down here. Scroll further down, we've got animal vlogs, stormtrooper, and loads more. So that's the first section inside of this Faceless Freedom. Then we've got Launch Your Faceless YouTube channel. We've got Faceless Digital Marketing. That includes a case study. We've got Done For You products and also Done For You Reels. And again, I'm still adding to these. So I'll show you this one. So we'll go in here. So this alone is worth 10 times $10 a month because, well, I'll show you. So in here, these are Done For You products. Now with these, people can use these to sell themselves and make money by connecting it to a stand store or even a school community. They can use it as a freebie to grow their email list. And there's loads of different ways you can use these resources down here. And again, we walk you through this in the training. So here's some of the Done For You products. Okay, so we've got Faceless Marketing Roadmap, a full resource here. Click access to get access to it. We've also got a ladies version. Scroll further on the page here. We've got Ultimate Faceless Marketing Guide, Digital Marketing Guide, a wealth workbook. We've got, as you can see on here, look, how to find your niche, building your brand online, social media. There's loads in here, literally loads. I've spent an absolute fortune going ahead and buying all of these different products, but they're all free inside of the community. Then we've got digital products. We've also got YouTube automation, how to do this, a planner. We've got Instagram theme pages, loads of stuff in here. Scroll back up. We've got TikTok, beginning guide. There's lots of content in there. I'm going to be adding more. So this is going to be the plan. We're going to build out a whole community on school around this concept of earning an income online without showing your face. And obviously, I'm doing this myself. So inside of here, you'll see, like in the Faceless Digital Marketing section, we've got a case study included. We're going to be adding in more case studies. And basically, we're just going to build it out. And what I'm going to try and not do is put in too much. I don't want to overwhelm people, but at the same time, I want it to be incredible value for people. So that's the plan. I'm going to launch this product at $10 a month, and we'll see how we will get on. And at this moment in time, my plan for the next few days is to just build all this out a bit more and learn a bit more about this platform over here, and also check out other communities. But realistically, from looking at other communities on here and how much people are charging, I honestly think if we offer loads of value up front, we're going at a ridiculously low price point of $10 to launch this, and then potentially over time move it up to say $17 or $27. I don't know. We'll look at that further down the line. But I think at this price point with this much content, I think realistically, touch wood, getting this up to $1,000 a month recurring income shouldn't be that difficult. It's the case of build it and then market it. So yeah, that's the plan. Let me know down below what you think of this. If you think the price point is too low, I mean, it's definitely not too low. But yeah, let me know your comments down below. if you are, in fact, and also what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a wait list for this. So if you want to join the wait list and check this out when it launches, join the email list. It'll be somewhere on the page, and we'll let you know once it's ready. I'll see you soon.